Did Kiro hear about the new exchange student we've got?
No, I tried calling, but he didn't answer. You know, once he's asleep, it's absolutely impossible to wake him up.
That sounds just like him.
Ah! Oh no! Lightning! And it's starting to rain! Come on! A storm! Ah! Look, it's not raining. Ah!
Sharon. He's got to be from the Lee family.
Who?
I know of them. The father of my master, Chloe Reed, was English, but his mother was Chinese. So much of the Chloe Reed's magic arts are a combination of both Western and Eastern magic. Even the magic you use has English and Chinese characters, right? The magic you're using now was specially created by my master, Chloe Reed. It's a kind of a sorcery that's been passed down from long ago. If you follow the steps carefully and keep the pact, pretty much anybody can use it. But you must realize there are very few sorcerers in the world who can create a completely new kind of magic.
Wow. So Chloe Reed's a great sorcerer.
Well, he does have some problems.
Really?
Anyway, the Lee family are from Chloe Reed's mother's side of the family and come from a line of Taoists famous throughout China.
Really?
So this Lee boy is related to Chloe Reed. I'd heard a rumor that the Lee family had moved to Hong Kong, which seems it must have been true.
Well, if that's the case, then I should have given him these cards after all.
Of course not. Remember when you first opened the book and woke me up? That was when we met for the first time. And do you remember what I told you back then? That there's a very special seal on this book. It can only be opened by someone with especially strong magical powers. That means only you're qualified to use these cards. They've got your name on them.
Yes, hello?
Hello?
Tamayo.
Look outside at the sky.
Yeah, I can see it. Just like before.